Welcome once again, and let's talk about fake token. Feed every gorilla token fake. Now, fake token have actually gained about $3.4 million in 48 hours. About $3.4 million has been pumped into fake token in the past 48 hours, which is amazing. We are happy that this coin has continued to increase. Now 72 hours, fake token have continued to rise gradually, and the market cap as of the time of recording this is now trading at $26,573,544. That's an increase of 20% in volume. 20% in the volume, and this 20% mostly buying. People are actually buying. People are pumping in money on fake token. Now, I believe they are going to get it right. I believe with a roadmap, I believe if they can achieve what they actually listed on the roadmap, they need to work hard. This coin is going to rise. Fake token right now still trade with about 9 zeros. Now imagine trading with about 6. That is about 100,000% increase in price, increase in whatever you might want to invest at the time of recording this. Now deleting 4 zeros is giving you about 1,000,000% increase in price. So let's hope, because this coin right now is facing what I would say gradual increase in price. That the increasing has also been going down. So I expect this coin to try their best. One good thing about fake token is they have gotten a lot of support from different exchange, including Gate.io. So I believe if they can keep on spreading the gospel of fake token, if they can keep on spreading fake token, making this coin to get more popular among the crypto industry, among the crypto traders, among different crypto communities, it will attract more people that will be buying. It will attract more addresses, more wallets. So I believe it's gradually, of course, it's gradual. It's not easy because last year crypto industry experienced a bearish trend, a long bearish trend. Last year was a bearish year. So many people lost a lot. And of course, fake token also lost a lot. The market cap used to hit almost more than $50 million, and today you can see fake token have really dropped. But without that, I believe something good is going to come out from crypto industry this year and next year. I believe that this coin is still going to really create a lot of millionaires in the future. Fake token is one of the coins I told myself I'll be buying and I'll be keeping for a very long period of time, because I love to buy some coins that I will trade today, this month. I also love to invest on coins I can live for even 5 years time, because the longer the patience you have, the more money you'll be making later. Take a look at other crypto coins statistics. People that invested earlier, and after so many years, if you have patience, you will be making money. You know the price of BTC, of course, BTC started. You know the price of Shiba Inu. You know the price of Binance BNB. Of course, 10 cents today. This is where Binance is, and we all know the price of Ethereum when Ethereum started. So today we all know what the price are. So that is why sometimes you need to have some coins. You don't need to sell off everything, you know. But the coins you need to keep, the coins you need to save, the coins you need to stake what you can afford to lose in case anything happens to such crypto coin. At least you look at yourself and say, well, because what you invested is what you can afford to lose. So that is the golden rule. So I still believe that. Let's hope. You know, some exchanges today, you see some of them crashing down. Even last year, due to the crash in crypto industry, so many exchanges also crash out. So that is why I don't like using one exchange. Our advice is not to use different exchange to buy different coins in case something happens. You know, some of your coins are still safe somewhere. So that is one of the key ways you want to invest in crypto industry. Do not put all your eggs in one basket, okay? In case the basket falls and break, everything is gone. So that is why I will keep encouraging, and I still hope that this coin, fake token is going to really increase in price. But please remember that this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.